Alrighty, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company. Here's a project actually we did about 2 years ago. You see these dogs right here. And then what we did is we added on to this building. So where those doors were, we added right here. You can see right here. So this has some gingerbread to kind of give you an idea here. So what we did here, you see that nice cupola up there. But you can see the Dutch door up there, and then also some decorative piece right there on the gable. But kind of give you an idea here. Let's walk around here and I'll show you how this building, but the different lines here, this building's unique, as you can see right here. But this right here, actually, this is going to be storage for like a garage, you know, store a car and so forth. And over here, this is going to be more, obviously storage as well, but it's going to be like a woodworking shop. You can see right up here, another cupola. But this is interesting from the standpoint of a lot of different changing of lines and pitches and so forth. And this was actually part post frame and also part stick frame. The middle portion right there, you can see right there with the peak, with the higher pitch. I believe that's an 812 pitch. That was actually a stick frame built on a block foundation and so forth. But you can see the colors right here. And you can see the overhang, what you can do as far as you want to get creative with your overhang right there. And then another Dutch door as well. So let's take a look. Let's go over here. So different ways you can obviously lay out a post frame building. And also a stick frame building, but check this out here on the back side here. Look how we tied that in there. See how we tied that right in there. So a lot of different moving parts on this building. A little bit more customized than a standard, just a 30 by 40 post frame building. And then obviously the gutter coming off of this. So this had some moving parts. Pretty self-explanatory. And, but yeah, we built this for them probably, I don't know, 3-4 years ago, where these dogs are. And then what we did is we put this building right here. This portion right here, like I said, is built on a block foundation, stick frame, and there's a loft right up there. There's a loft right up there for those folks. So for more information, definitely you can check us out online, atticalumber.com, or you can call us 409-426-BARN. Attica Lumber since 1925.